think the initial inspiration for this bowl happened while I was traveling in Japan. So we were on a trip in Japan and I had a really interesting bowl at a place called Ichikoro. And I liked how they incorporated their local ingredients, their natural ingredients into the bowl. So I thought, well, I want to do the same thing. So we kind of decided to bring a bit of like the natural coastline into it. So we went down to the shore, foraged a bit of sea lettuce. Also noticed there was a bit of rack there, which is another edible seaweed, and some kelp. In Japanese cooking it's known as kombu, which we use a lot in making stocks and dashis and that. And then we got back to the kitchen. We just rinsed off the sea lettuce and dehydrated it. After that we deep fried it. It's nice and crispy, kind of like crispy kale chips. And that was going to be like our topping to finish the bowl. For the rest of the bowl, went with a really creamy Tori Paitan broth, which is made by emulsifying chicken fat into the stock. So instead of letting the stock simmer like we normally would, we boil it thoroughly. That helps emulsify it. And then we seasoned it with the motodare, which is sake and salt based, so it's a shio motodare. And the noodles, for the noodles actually we did something different, a little special. We got 100% Japanese flour, which has got really high like protein content, and we made these thin, like a hakata style noodle that you'd normally find in a tonkotsu broth, and chicken chashu, some spring onions, some Japanese menma, which are bamboo shoots, some kikurage, and then on top of that we finished it with the flavoured oil of wild foraged garlic. And I think for me the whole collaboration was just a really fun experience. It was kind of like just about bouncing ideas, having inspiration, and like doing something, going with it. I mean, often I find with the things that we do, it's kind of more about the intent behind the project than the project itself. So, but it came together really nicely. I mean, the artwork, the t-shirts, the aprons, everything just came out like awesome. I love the style, the art, the manga style, something quite unique.